Welcome to the best picks. The best baking soda free deodorant is probably one of the most sought after products in the natural beauty world, and for good reason. Many people find that traditional deodorants containing baking soda can irritate sensitive skin, leading to rashes, burning, or discomfort. This video will dive deep into the world of baking soda free deodorants, exploring the best options available, and helping you find the perfect match for your unique needs and preferences, considering factors like scent, effectiveness, and ingredients. Number 5. Native Coconut and Vanilla Deodorant. Experience the natural power of native deodorant. It's made without aluminum, parabens, or phthalates, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. It's formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter, leaving you feeling soft and smooth. Enjoy long-lasting odor protection all day long. Say goodbye to odor worries. This deodorant provides effective protection for up to 72 hours, keeping you feeling fresh and confident. Its smooth, solid formula glides on easily and leaves no residue. It's the perfect combination of effective and easy to use. Native deodorant is never tested on animals, only happy volunteers. It's also formulated to work effectively for both men and women. Imagine yourself lounging on a tropical beach. This delightful coconut and vanilla scent will transport you to paradise with every application. What we like? It's made with naturally derived ingredients, providing effective odor protection that lasts all day. The smooth, easy application makes it a breeze to use. If you value natural ingredients and a simple application process, this is the deodorant for you. What people say? It dries quickly and is super happy with the longevity of using it. One application lasts me the entire day, even through the night. It definitely does not keep me as dry as the deodorants I used before, but it does do a good job of eliminating the BO smell even when I'm feeling a little wet in the pits and I don't feel soaked like I do without anything, so it helps. Number 4. Lume Whole Body Deodorant. Say goodbye to odor worries. It provides odor control for your underarms, private areas, and beyond, keeping you fresh all day long. It's clinically proven to block body odor for up to 72 hours. Experience long-lasting freshness and confidence. The pH-optimized formula blocks odor before it starts, unlike traditional deodorants that just mask the smell. It's a pre-odorant. It's clinically proven to gently exfoliate and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It's hypoallergenic, baking soda-free, and safe for sensitive skin. Enjoy the clean and luxurious scent of soft powder. This invisible cream rubs in easily like a lotion. Just use a pea-sized amount and apply it to any area. Start with a pea-sized amount and apply it to any area that needs odor protection. It's easy to use and leaves no visible residue. What we like? This one offers odor control for your whole body, not just underarms, and its 72-hour protection is clinically proven. The soft powder scent is luxurious and pampering. If you need long-lasting odor protection all over, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The toasted coconut smells so good. The subtly sweet coconut smells delicious. One dab under each arm and the villagers thought I was a forest nymph or perhaps an angel from Constantinople. After a full day of hiking and sweating, I came home to family and friends who were dumbfounded by how fresh I smelled. Number 3. Lume Deodorant Cream Stick. This cream deodorant tackles odor effectively, wherever it may be on your body. It's designed for underarms, private areas, and other odor-prone spots. It's clinically proven to block body odor all day long, and the odor control lasts for up to 72 hours. Experience long-lasting freshness. Unlike other deodorants, it doesn't just mask odor, it prevents it from forming in the first place. It's pH optimized for superior odor control. Developed by a doctor, it's safe for all external use. It's free of aluminum, baking soda, and parabens, making it gentle even on sensitive skin. Enjoy the calming aroma of lavender and clary sage. It's a classic, soothing scent that's sure to please. The invisible cream formula rubs in easily. Start with a pea-sized amount and apply it to any area you want to keep fresh. It's easy to apply and goes on smoothly. What we like? It provides odor control for your entire body and boasts 72 hours of odor protection. The calming lavender sage scent is a classic. If you want a versatile deodorant with a pleasant scent, this is a great option. Number 2. Lume Whole Body Deodorant. It's clinically proven to control odor for 72 hours. Say goodbye to odor in your pits, private areas, and beyond. It blocks odor all day and night. Experience odor control like never before. This isn't your average deodorant. It's pH optimized to stop odor before it even starts. It's doctor developed and safe for external use anywhere on your body. It's aluminum free, baking soda free, and paraben free. This unscented formula glides on smoothly. It's the perfect choice for those who prefer no added fragrance. With this deodorant, you can enjoy long-lasting freshness and confidence. It's the ultimate solution for all-day odor protection. What we like. This unscented formula offers whole-body odor control and lasts for 72 hours. It's perfect for sensitive skin and those who prefer no fragrance. If you need powerful odor protection without any scent, this is for you. What people say. It eliminates all odor, and by all I mean all. I don't care who you are or how hard you scrub, at the end of a long hot day outside, your southern hemisphere will have an odor in some form. Lume has eliminated this for me. I used it for the first time today, and this is the first time I haven't had a sweat stain while wearing a tight t-shirt in years. Plus, the lavender smells so good. I am very pleased with this whole body deodorant. I shower in the evening before bed. I then applied the Lume on my underarms, under my breasts, and between my legs. All areas were still nice smelling by morning, and on into the afternoon through my work day. It kept the odor at bay for about 24 hours. By the time I showered again in the evening, I just noticed that it seemed to be wearing off, and I could smell a bit of odor coming through on my underarms. Number 1. Each and every deodorant. Introducing a gentle, aluminum-free deodorant. It's designed for those with sensitive skin, keeping you fresh all day long without irritation. This deodorant is completely unscented and fragrance-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Enjoy all-day odor protection without harsh chemicals or perfumes. It's all natural and plant-based, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your body. Experience the natural freshness without the worry of harmful ingredients. Say goodbye to baking soda irritation. This deodorant provides effective odor protection without the common baking soda side effects. It's gentle enough for everyday use. It's been verified by the Environmental Working Group, so you can trust its safety and quality. It's a clean and effective choice for your daily routine. It works effectively to keep you feeling fresh and confident throughout your entire day. Enjoy the freedom of movement without worrying about unpleasant odors. What we like. This all-natural deodorant is free of baking soda and fragrance, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It provides all-day odor protection without harsh chemicals. If you have sensitive skin and prefer a clean, unscented option, this is the one for you. What people say. It has only a few simple ingredients with no nasty chemicals. It absorbs immediately after rubbing it in. It doesn't leave any residue on my clothes and lasts a couple months with daily use. This product applies smoothly and has a light, pleasant natural scent. No added hormone-disrupting fragrances. The formula is soft, smooth, moisturizing, and a little goes a long way. The scents are usually quite lovely and not overbearing. I don't stink, at least, no one has told me so. I call that a win, folks. For me, Deo doesn't last more than 24 hours before I need to reapply. And it's not that I stink, it's just that the product has completely worn off, melted off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.